Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a transparent emoticon in CapCut. So if you want to add an emoji or emoticon to your video but you don't want to make it like looks obvious, so you want to make it transparent, so actually it's so easy. So you can just go to text and add text, and then here go to emoji or emoticon and find the ones that you want to use. For example, I want to use this love emoticon or emoji, and then click on the style, and after that scroll down until you find opacity. So you can just swipe it to the left right this to make it like transparent. So I'm going to set it to like 13%, 30%, and then click on the check icon, and here you can see the love emoji is now transparent. And if you want to adjust to set it to the whole video, you can just drag it like this, and here is the final emoji, transparent emoji like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.